What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh, and in this video I'm going to do a small little mod on my car. Remember, in the Wish unboxing video I had ordered small LED brake lights for my car, so today I'm going to install those and then I'll give you a small comparison of those. So let's go outside. Before that, let me give you a closer look of these. So these are 1157 type of LED bulbs. So now let's go outside and compare these with the halogen ones. To start off, I have to take my tail light off. In my case, it's just held on by these two screws, so I'll start. So I have installed in one of these, and wow, actually didn't expect these to be so bright, because I hope you can see how big my brake light is, and compared to that it is very small, but still it is very bright. Now I'll complete by installing the other one. So to take the socket out, you have to twist it on your side and then pull it out, and to take the bulb off, turn it anti-clockwise. Now you have to reverse the process by putting the bulb inside and turning it clockwise and putting the socket back. So before putting the screws, I'll test it out. Now, so everything works. Now I'll put the screw back. So I've completed my work. Now I'll show you how the primary brake light work and also the secondary, and I'll also show you how bright my reverse lights are. Welcome back. So I am editing the video right now, and this video will be up on Sunday morning. So an update, I might be going down to Automech on Monday to talk about my exhaust cutoff, and if everything works out fine, then I'll be getting it on that day only. So expect the exhaust cutoff video soon. And I know most of you guys are watching my videos and liking all my videos, but actually are not subscribed to my channel. So do me a favor, subscribe to my channel to support me out and help the channel to grow. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay savage.